Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel where I'm at grade 3, holding my grade 4 class next year. Parents, do the do. Call this number. The name is Lennox Bennett. Get them in the class, guys. Serious time, serious time. Call for serious teacher. Just WhatsApp me at this number. And the name is Lennox Bennett. Everybody should know me by now, right? So we're gonna go through some questions for the diagnostics test tomorrow. All the best to my grade 3s. Mr. Bennett got you guys, all right? And I'm looking forward to working with you guys in the summer. Looking forward to working with you guys starting September also. All right, let's go. We actually start working in this summer. So yeah, looking forward to the summer, guys. So those who want to be a part of the summer school, just WhatsApp me at that number, 876-549-2161. All right, let's get right into it now, guys. So the first one says, circle the correct answer for each of the following. What is the place value of 8 in the number 286? And that would be, is it ones, 10, hundreds, or 8? And that's actually tens. So that would be B. Let's move on to number 2. What fraction is shaded? Now, out of the ones that are shaded, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is shaded out of a total of 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 is shaded out of 8. That gives us a half. What we do, we reduce it by dividing both of them by 4. So that is the C. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Teachers, share this with your students. Come on, man. What is 46 rounded off to the nearest 10? Now, guys, when you have 46, the nearest 10 is going to be either 40 or 50. Now, to get to 50, you only need to add 4. While to get to 40, we have to minus all of 6. So 6 is bigger. So this one is closer. So 50 would be our answer here. Let's move on to number 4. What are the missing numbers in the following sequence? We have 4, blank, blank, 10. So we're going up by 2. So it will be 4, 6, 8. So that would be A. Let's move on to number 5. Hit the like button if you have not done so, guys. Which set has all odd numbers? Now, odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2 without a remainder. So 2, 4, 6, that's even. 3, 5, 7, that's odd. We don't have to go any further. Let's move on to number 6. Hit the like button if you have not done so. What is half of 14 balls? Now, guys, what we're going to do, for every 2, we're going to cross off 1. So 1, 2, we cross off 1. 1, 2, we cross off 1. That means 1 out of 2. 1, 2, we cross off 1. 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 And then we count how many are crossed off. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 balls. Let's move on to number 7. What is the expanded form of 235? So you have 230 and 5. So that would be A. Very nice question, these, guys. Very nice. From the Ministry of Education. And no, guys, I do not work with the ministry. I'm just an individual who love education and love helping out the kids, all right? Which number comes directly before and directly after 250? So the one before, and that will be 249, and after will be 251. So that's C. Number 9 says, what is the value of 87 take away 42? So we're going to subtract. So 2 from that leave 5, 4 from that leave 4. So that would be 45. Remember, we subtracting, right? All right, number 10 says, place the following numbers in order of size from the smallest to the largest. So we can look at it. The smallest would be 110. After 110, we have 120, 130, and 140. So it start with 110, so this will be our answer, B. Number 11 says, what is the value of 648 divided by 3? So let us do some division, guys. Come on. Where my students at? Looking forward to working with you guys in the summer, all right? Number is 876549261. So we have 3 into 6. How many groups of 3 can get out of 6? That's 2. 3, 2, 6. So we're going to subtract. That gives us 0. But we're going to carry down the 4. And then we're going to say how many groups of 3 we can get out of 4, which is 1. And then we multiply 3 by 1, which is 3. Subtract again. So this gives us 1. Carry down our 8. And guys, you can watch the playback, all right? 3 into 18 goes 6 times, and of course 3 6s 18. So there we have it, 216. That's the quotient. All right, let's move on to number 12. Peter bought a cake and shared it with his friends. He gave Roy 5/8 and took 2/8 for himself. What fraction of the cake was shared between the two boys? So all we have to do is just add the fraction. So it's 5/8 plus 2/8. Now, when you have the same denominator, all we have to do, keep the denominator, and then we add. So we're going to add 5 plus 2, which is 7/8. Students, make sure you're trying them, I'm going a little bit fast because I have a class in 30 minutes, but make sure you're trying them. What is the value of 205 multiplied by 3? So, Mr. guys, even though I have class, we make a sacrifice, and so I have to do something for 3, 5, 15, 5 carry 1, 300 plus that 1, 326, so that's 615. Miss Hall bought 39 sweets for her class. How many dozens of sweets can she get from this total? Now, a dozen is 12, so how we have to do? Divide 39 by 12. And we can get 3 out of it, right? 12 plus 12, 24 plus that 36. So that gives us 36. Remain that 3 out of the 12. So let's break down 3 out of 12. Now we can use 3. 3 into itself 1. 3 into 12, 4. So it's 3¼ dozen. Let's move on to number 15. What is the value of the underlined digit in the number 6,753? And of course, this would be 5 tens. So 5 tens, and that's B. Let's move on to number 16. The grade 3 student at Harris Primary School. Oh, guys, big up whoever primary school you at, all right? Link me up. Don't want to go your Immaculate, your Camping, again more. Whatever school you want, go your Andrews, your Queens, your Calabar, your JC, your KC, your anywhere. Just link me. Georges, anywhere, guys, and then I can assist you. The grade 3 student at Irish Primary read 5,859 books. The grade 4 students read 8,329 books. How many more books did the grade 4 students read than the grade 3? So you have to put the grade 4 at the top because they read more. And guys, make sure you're reading your books, all right? Tell your parents you want to come to Mr. Bennett Summer School, so you don't fall behind. September, you'll be way ahead. Let's go, let's go. So we're going to subtract because it said how many more. 9 from 9 leaves 0. 5 from 2, you can't, so we're going to borrow. This leaves 2. The one that you borrow is a 10, so you put it there, becomes 12. And that 12 take away 5 gives us 7. 8 from 2 we can't, so we are going to borrow again, And this leaves 7, and this becomes 12 again. 8 from 12 leave 4, and 5 from 7 leave 2. So it's 2, 4, 7, 0. So that would be A in this case. All right, let's move on to number 17. Claude had 32 plums. He gave Christine 14 and bought 9 more plums. How many plums does Claude have? So let us do it step by step. He had 32. He gave Christine 14, so that's going to minus 14 from it. So let's take away the 14 he gave to Christine and see how many he had left. Alright? So this have leave 18. So now he has 18, but then he bought 9 more plums. So he's gonna add to the 18, which gives us 27. Alright, hit the like button if you have not done so, and if you appreciate Mr. Bennett, guys. Let's go, let's go. The container below can hold 1 cup of juice. How many 1/8 cups are needed to fill the container? Alright, so because it's 1/8 and it's 1 cup, the container below can hold 1 cup of juice. How many 1/8? And that would be 8, because 8 of 8 make 1. Nice question, that you know. Alright, which of the following instrument is used to measure mass? Is it thermometer, measuring cup, balance scale, or the clock? And that would be which of the following instrument is used to measure mass? So that's a weight, not the thermometer. What is a measuring cup? Balance scale. Oh, scale. Sure, and I never see that, you know. Alright. Number 20 says, what is the perimeter of the figure? Now, perimeter means the total distance around. So we're going to add all the numbers. So we're going to add 7 plus 4 plus the 5 plus another 4. So we have 2 4s. 16.25. So let's go, let's go. So 7 plus 4, 11, plus 5, 16, plus that 20. So the perimeter is 20 meters. Sorry that I didn't have the unit, guys, but you know, we did the thing, we did the do. 21, what time is the clock showing below? So the hour hand is an hour, and that's 15. So it's 1:15. 3, no. 2:45, no. 1:15. I think only Jamaica say it like that. But big up, big up. Alright, let's go. 22 says, which of the following sign has the shape of a pentagon? Now, pentagon has 5 sides, so let's just count them. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm thinking it's D. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, Pamela is 3 years older than Nicholas. How old will Pamela be when Nicholas is 8 years old? So Pamela is older. So if Nicholas is 8, it's going to be 8 plus 3, which is 11. Let's move on to 24. The calendar below shows that Mark and Marsha celebrate their birthday on July 11, 2009. Use the calendar to answer question 24 to 25. How old is Mark if he was born on 11? You know, like that question, you know? How old would Mark if he's born July 11, 1995? So this is the year. The calendar shows Mark celebrate their birthday on July 11. So let me find that, which is this day. How old will Mark be if he's born? Oh, alright. So 2009. So 2010, him at that. Him at 1. 2011. Oh, this is how I'm born. Alright, so we are coming from 95. So we need 5 more to make that plus 9. 5 plus 9, 14. It should be 14. Hold on, let me check it again, guys. So in 1995, that no count, right? In 96, so 96 in my 1, 97 in my 2, 98 in my 3, 99 in my 4, 2000 in my 5, and then plus the other 9. So 5 plus 9, 14. This can be a little bit tricky sometimes. If Mark was born 1994 and Marsha was born 1996, how much older? And that will be 2 years. It's 2 years, all right? That is not bad. All right, 26 says, mother bought the following items at the store: milk, rope, chicken, and eggs. Which of the following items would be most likely measured in liter? Not the chicken, not the rope, but the milk. Breast milk. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 27, which of the which of the temperature below matches the picture? So we have 40 degrees right here. So that is C. Let's move on to 28. I'm not sure how many questions there are. Which is the most appropriate unit that Paula can use to measure the length of a pencil? And in my estimation, centimeters. Meter is too big and also, right? All right. 29. Which of the following statements is true about the shape below? The shape has 4 acute angles. I disagree. The shape has 2 acute angles and 2 right angles. I disagree. The shape has 4 right angles. I agree. So that's C. The shape has 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse. All right, let's move on. So it actually continues. Which of the following is a ray? And that would be A. Which diagram below shows a closed part? Now, a closed part is basically its seal, which is T. So that would give us letter B. Guys, hit the like button if you have not done so. I have to finish this in 15 minutes or so. So let's go. Let's move on to 32. What is the name of the angle below? Oh, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X. The middle one should be the angle, right? So Y should be in the middle. So it's this one right here. Which figure has the greatest number of acute angles? Could be this, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go with D. All right, if P is equal to 7, what is the value of 67 minus P? Now, if P is 7, so we do some simple subtract 7 from it, which is 60. Algebra, this time I'm giving you guys, 35, if M is equal to 43, then M plus M is equal to, so that means we're going to have 43 plus 43. Or you can multiply it by 2 for those persons who are quick at the multiplication. So that will give you 86. If box is equal to 8, which of the following number sentence is true? 8 minus 5 is not 12. 20 plus 8 is not 25. But 18 minus 8 is indeed 10. So that's C. So guys, let's call this the algebra sector. If P plus 4 is equal to 12, what is the value of P? Now, all we have to do is just figure out what number plus 4 gives us 12, and that would be 8. If you want to do it the mathematical way, you can subtract 4, which is to take the opposite of whatever that is. I'll teach you guys this in summer school. Don't worry yourself, guys. So parents just sign up 87654926161. 38, which of the following numbers would complete the number sentence? 8 plus is equal to 35, 3 times 5. So what it is, it's supposed to equal to 15. So what plus 8 gives us 15? And that would be 7. Observe the graph below uses to answer question 39. And you have the fruits that students like, which is mango. That's one of my favorite. Grape is one of my favorite. Cherry is one of my favorite. Melon. I just love fruits, guys. How many students enjoyed grape more than cherry? So grape is 4 students, while cherry is only 2. So it's going to be 4 subtract 2, which gives us 2. So in that case, 2 is our answer, which is A. Let's move on to 40. Let's go. Timmy has 5 red buttons, 4 blue buttons, and 3 black buttons in a bag. What is the chance of him pulling out a red button? It's not certain. It's not impossible. What? Equally likely, not likely. I don't understand. This question is flawed. So you have 5, 4, that's 9, 12. So it's 5 out of 12. It's not impossible. I don't know the answer for this, guys. It's not certain, it's not impossible, it's not equally likely, and it's not likely. It's I think it's likely because guess what? It's the one with the most. So I disagree with those solutions. I don't know what they think. More red are there. Anyway, I'm not gonna leave that there, guys, because I don't know. The table below shows the number of students who like chicken, beef, cheese, and cheap patties. Use it to answer question 41 and 42. And here we have the key. One of that is equal to 2 students. How many students like cheese patty? So it's 1 for 2. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm thinking this a half. So it's a half. That's a half, guys. So it's 11. Why don't I just put it in half? How many students like beef patties more than chicken patty? Beef patty more than chicken patty. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we have 2, 4, 5. So it will be 10 minus 5, which is 5. If that not there, the screen job something not really mean at all. Or the kids gonna know this though. So if it's screen job like that. Look at the wheel below and answer the question which follows. If you spin the wheel, the arrow is likely to land on a white or black. To land on the white than the black. Okay, so it's less likely to land on the white. So if you spin the arrow, it's less likely to land on the white because you only have one white, right? Than the black. All right, 44. Use the information below to answer question 44. The table below shows the number of pencils bought by 4 students over a month. And 3A bought 16, 3 da da da. Which of the pictograph show the same information? All right, so these are 3 pencils, right? So we have, all right, let me just check 3A first. If 3A correct, we check the other one. 3A is supposed to have 16, so it couldn't be this. But the key are 3. So 3 represented there. The key are 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It can't be this. It's supposed to be 16. 5, 10, that are 15. So it can't be this. It has to be the last one. Let's check out the last one. The key is 4. Yeah, this is 16. Alright, 3B. I'm going to check the 3B. How many for 3B? We're going up by 4, you know. 3B. This is a very nice paper. 3B at 20, so it's to be 5. And the next one to be 5 and 3. So let's go. Yeah, see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 20 because they're going up by 5. And this 3, which will give it 12. So this is our answer. Very nice question there. Big up yourself to Minister of Education. Oh guys, here we go. We have come to the end. Alright. So we have come to the end of the paper. I've finished in 10. Still have 10 minutes. Let me see what I'm saying. Alright. This is our next section. It's a Pam kept the score of the children. Pam kept the score of the different colors of the cars that passed her out. Examine the tally and complete the table. So white, how many whites you have? You have 5, 10, 15. So that is 15. And for this you have black. Oh, I need to put the 11 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of the work, when I reach 5, you cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, you cross. And you put 1. But this one now is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Alright, which color passes Pam out the most number of times? And that would be white. Still have 8 minutes, guys. Which color pass Pam house at least? Pass Pam house the least number of time, and that is black. I'm gonna have to upload it for my class start. Which color passes? Oh yeah. Timmy went to the store and saw these items. How much did Timmy pay for 2 caps and a pair of shorts? So 2 caps, why cap there? $85. So it's gonna be 85 times 2, 2, 5, 10, 2, 8, 16, and 1, 17. So that's 170. And the shorts are for 135. So let's add 135 to that. So it's 5. Guys, you know what? Just join my class. Just join my class. So it's 305. And you get 1 mark for that. Yes, my question, Mr. Ben. Why you speed it up? See, me want to buy a new pair of sneakers and 2 other items out of 350. What are these items and how much change would he get? So he wants 2 sneakers. So 1 sneakers are for 160. No man, something wrong with that. Timmy wants to buy a pair of sneakers and 2 other items out of 350. What are these items and how much change would he receive? He can't get nothing for that because when you add 160 and 160 and 320 then. So this look like a flaw. This is a sign for us to stop, guys. So I'm gonna stop the video. The number is 876-549-2161. WhatsApp me, guys.